Hello everyone, today I will show you how to duplicate all pages in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this right sidebar, left sidebar paste thumbnail icon and click on this on page and press Ctrl A from your keyboard and select all pages. Now right click from your mouse cursor and here you will find this duplicate option. Click here and see this. All of these pages now duplicated. This first one, this second one, and see this. In this way you can duplicate your PDF file just one click. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.